Listen up, small creators. On this video, I want to show you how you can make money on YouTube before you get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours. I'm going to show you 5 tips that I used to make money on YouTube before I was accepted into the YouTube partner program. I'm going to walk you through and show you exactly how you can apply some of these. And the first one is with affiliate marketing. Now, let's say that you're creating a video. It could be about anything. What you want to do is you want to start placing links inside the description of your videos. Now, if you're not talking about anything specific, you're using certain tools and maybe devices that you can link back in the description of your videos. Let's say, as an example, that you've created a video and you just happen to be wearing these headphones, or you're using this microphone. What you can do is you can join affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, and you can start incorporating these products in the description of your videos. Let me show you what I mean. If you come over to Amazon, you can see that these headphones are worth $549. You could have them linked in the description of your video. You can even tell people that if they wanted to get the same headphones that you're using, or if they wanted to use the same microphone that you're using, they're going to find them in the description of your video, and you'll be surprised with the amount of people that will click onto these links. You'll also be surprised with how many people are going to ask you, what video editing software do you use? What microphone do you use? What lighting do you use? What camera do you use? Highly recommend that you have all of these linked in the description of your video, because you could potentially make $50, $100. Sometimes you might have a really good month and make $500 a month, which can go a long way into you using that back into your YouTube channel and buying yourself maybe even better products, services, equipment, etc., to get you to where you need to be and to up your level when it comes to YouTube. So the first thing I recommend that you do is that you sign up to Amazon Associates. Now, they do have a few recommendations that you're going to need to go through and have a look at, but you can use your YouTube channel and you can sign up to this today, and you can start promoting different types of products. That's the first thing that I recommend that you do. Affiliate marketing is super powerful, and I've made hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing by just placing links in the description of my videos. That's the first way you can do it. Now, just before we continue with this video, if you end up getting value out of this video, don't forget to smash that like button in appreciation and subscribe, because I've got some more awesome content coming your way. And I just want you to do one thing for me. Go down the bottom and let me know in the comments, do you want me to create more videos to help you grow your YouTube channel? Or do you want me to show you how to make money on YouTube? Let me know the one thing that you need, and what I'll do is I'll start creating content on that, because I really want to give back and I really want to help you get your channel to where you need it to be. Let's get going with the video. The second way that you can do it is you can start promoting different types of software that is relevant to your niche. Okay, for example, with my channel, what I do is I talk about a software called VidIQ. The reason I do this is because people use VidIQ to rank their videos, to get tags, etc., and a whole heap of other really cool stuff. They've got extensions on here which shows them how other videos are performing, etc. They've got a whole heap of different types of tools. As a creator, I highly recommend that you have a tool like this, which is going to help you grow. But when I promote this product, if you come over here and you take a look at their affiliate program, you can see here that you can get paid anything from 15% to 25% commissions for promoting this product. The good thing about this affiliate program or this software is it's reoccurring commissions. What that means is when someone signs up, let's say someone signs up to their $79 plan, and I've made over their requirement of 51 sales. What that means is if I grab my calculator and you do $79 and you times that by 0.25, you could be making almost $20 a month for every single sign up. If you times this by, say, 5 people, you could be making almost $100 a month. If you double it, it's $200 a month. It goes a long way when you're a brand new creator. So I highly recommend that if there's software that you talk about in your videos, link them down the bottom in the description of your videos. And I'm going to show you what these links look like on my channel in a second. If you don't know where to go to find these different types of software, a really good site that you can take a look at is this one over here called Capterra.com. You can literally come over here, you can search categories in a whole range of different types of niches, and you can sign up to their affiliate program. So Capterra is an amazing site and I highly recommend that you sign up to it. Now, the third way that you can make money on YouTube before you're monetized is by promoting other people's products, where they contact you to promote their products, not just you going and finding an affiliate link. People will pay you to create videos on different types of software and services. Not only can you be an affiliate of that particular product and earn a cut from each sale, but they'll also pay you to create that video. You'll see a lot of different types of sponsorships within videos where people will pause halfway through the video and tell you something about that product. So how do you get people to contact you? Well, it's really important that in the description of your video, so this is what a standard looking type of description inside one of my videos. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom over here, it says if you have any questions, you can always leave a comment or email me here. And I've got my email address. This is where people get my email address and they're constantly contacting me. This is one of the ways. The second way is if you come over to the about section of your video and you scroll down, you can see here for business inquiries, view my email address. Now you need to set this up within the settings of your YouTube channel. And if somebody clicks onto this, you can see here that my email address is going to come up. And this is where people are emailing me every single day. Let me show you as an example. This is my Smart Video Tactics Gmail address. And if you scroll down, you can see here that here somebody is looking to do a collaboration. If we scroll down over here, somebody here is looking to do a collaboration. This is basically a promotional type of video. And if you scroll down, there's another one over here, business inquiry, YouTube partnership. And if you scroll down, here's another one for collaboration. If you scroll down here, cooperation over here, and you can see that this happens constantly, guys. If you scroll down, all these different ones over here are different types of business corporations, commercial offers, and people looking for me to create videos on different types of products and promotions. Now, you need to be extremely careful. You don't want to promote anything too scammy, number one. Number two, you want to make sure that anything that you talk about is relatable to your audience. Don't just do certain things because you're going to get paid for it. As you guys can see, I get all these different emails, but I'm rarely going over here and creating this stuff. Why? Because I'll only promote things that are relevant to my audience, and I don't want to do too many things. So pick the right ones, but by putting your email address inside your about section of your channel over here, and also having an email address over here, you'll be surprised with how many people will contact you. Be very picky and selective with what you promote, but that can also get you anything from a couple of $100 to maybe $1,000 a month, depending on the different types of things you want to promote. Now, the fourth way that you can do this and make money on YouTube, guys, is to potentially sell your own course in a niche that you're currently in. So if you have a skill with something, it can be lucrative for yourself to create a very simple course. This is something that I've done. If you take a look at my channel over here, if you scroll up, I do have a YouTube course that I'm currently updating at the moment, and it will be out this week. But within saying that, if you click onto the current course, you can see people will come over here. They'll enter in their email address, they'll enter in their name, they'll click on to get instant access. And what happens from there is if they decide to purchase this course, I could make a couple of $100 just on the back of each sale. Now, if you're going to create a course, you need to make sure that the course is extremely valuable and people are getting value out of that course. And then you're providing something for them, which then they can take away, maybe start creating their own YouTube channel and being profitable with it. Think about different types of courses that you can make. What you can do is go to platforms like Udemy and take a look at other courses that people have created within your niche and think about how you can improve it, add your own spin to it, and you'll be surprised with how much money you can make. Even with only 100 to 200 views per video, 50 views per video, if just one person buys your course or two people buy your course a week or a month even, that could be the difference with a few $100s. All this can add up and you can still make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars every single week off your YouTube channel, even before you are monetized and into the YouTube partner program. Now, the fifth way that you can do this, guys, and I see a lot of people doing this, is by creating your own merch. Now, all you would need to do is come over to sites like teespring.com. You can very easily create merch, brand it into your own brand, or do it, get it to link up with your YouTube channel, make it, if it's a channel about fishing or something, or camping, you can create things like that. If it's about animals, you can create merch like this. If it's motivational, you can create merch about motivational things. Whatever it might be, go and have a look at other creators within your niche. You can very easily create these different types of clothing, stickers, hats, etc. You can see people do this with fitness all the time. Even if it's just comedy, you can very easily create your own merch. And what people are doing is, again, they're linking this merch within the description of your YouTube channel, and you'll be surprised with how much people are putting these different types of links over here. People are clicking onto it and they're making an extra $50 to $100, because the best thing about print on demand is that A, it doesn't cost you anything, and B, nothing gets printed or shipped or anything like that until the person clicks onto it and purchases, and there's no minimum buy-in. Okay, so you can do this with the smallest of channels and you can still make hundreds of dollars every single month. And one tip I'm going to give you, if you're going to have links inside the description of your videos, the best way to get people to buy is to tell them to click onto those links and to take a look at whatever you're promoting at that time. And always make sure that you stand by that product and that product delivers on exactly what you are offering. Now, obviously, we're talking about how to make money on YouTube before you get your 1,000 subscribers or your 4,000 watch hours. But what I want you to do from here, if you don't have any one of those two, or whichever one you're looking to get, I highly recommend that you click onto either this video that's going to help you get your 1,000 subscribers, or this one that's going to help you get your 4,000 watch hours. So whichever one you need right now, click onto any one of these videos right now so you can learn exactly how you can fill that gap. I'll see you on either one of these videos. Until next time, you take care of yourselves and goodbye.